No matter what industry you're in, a dust coat can be a daily necessity, or just to throw over your old clothes on the odd occasion. Either way, these dust coats from Beck will do the job. They're available in royal blue and white, made from a durable polycotton blend and designed to last. They have safety stitch seams and hem cuffs, the open neck, wide comfortable sleeves and back vents ensure comfort and ease of movement. They also have breast pockets, 2 large bottom pockets, and visible plastic buttons. These dust coats are functional, durable, and affordable. This is just one of the workwear solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.